Good evening, viewers. Welcome back to my channel. I am Rajiv Bhatia from Police. So, in continuation to Java series, today I am going to talk about the various different kind of features in Java. And those features makes the Java very special. So, one of the important and best feature is Java is an object-oriented programming. Rather, we can say it's a pure object-oriented programming language. So Java is an object-oriented language and it incorporates various characteristics of any object-oriented programming language like inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, as well as abstraction. In Java, the entire program code must be encapsulated inside a class. So as if you know the C++, in C++, we write a main function outside the class. But in Java, we write a class as well as their main function inside the class itself. So even the most basic programming Java will be written within the class only. Furthermore, Java uses objects to refer to the real world entities such as a game or a game player, student, AC, laptop, smartphone, like that. And the next feature of Java is this is the architectural neutral language. So Java is a binary code format. That means this is independent of any hardware architecture, operating system interfaces, as well as Windows system. The format of the system independent binary code is architectural neutral. That means whenever we write a Java program, and once you compile a Java program, it creates a bytecode. That means if you create a file, and you need to save a file with the help of .java extension, but later on it has to be converted in order to create a bytecode or a class file. So in order to convert into the bytecode or class file, we compile the Java code. After successful compilation, it creates a bytecode or a class file, right? And this class file or bytecode is capable of to run on any kind of devices, right? That is why it is called architectural neutral as well as platform independent. So in specific to the platform independent, we already discussed whenever you convert your program, whenever you compile your program, your compiler converts the program into platform independent code that was a bytecode. So therefore, a JVM, once you compile a program, so later on you have to run the program. Obviously, in order to run a program, we have to port that program into a target machine. Target machine could be the machine on which you have written a program or a machine where you wanted to execute the program. Let's say I have written a program, I have copied my bytecode and I have given to you. And you have taken my created bytecode and you have pasted in your system. And since your system is having a JVM, so a JVM is going to interpret my entire bytecode from top to bottom. And after interpreting the bytecode from top to bottom, it's going to interpret line by line and simultaneously it is going to execute my program, right? So that way, you're converting a Java program into a bytecode makes the Java program platform independent because any computer installed with JVM can interpret and run the bytecode. So nowadays, platform specific, operating system specific, we are having their own JVM. Now, next very important feature is Java program is portable. So portability refers to the ability of a program to run on any platform. Here, if we talk about the program platform, that means it includes your hardware device as well as install operating system on that hardware device. So without changing your source code of a program, you can run that program on any kind of platform. So the program develops on one computer can run on another computer. As I said, I have developed a program in my laptop and I have given back to you or any user and they are running my program in their laptop. Clear? So every other computer can have a different kind of hardware, different kind of operating system. So Java enables creation of cross-platform program by converting the program into Java platform. Right. So it provides cross-platform support as well. So as already we discussed, Java is a distributed programming language. So Java can be used for development of those applications that can be distributed on multiple machines on a network, such as on internet. So with the help of the Java, you can create a application which is client server based. So in these kind of application, can be used by multiple users from multiple machines in a network setting anywhere across the world. So for this purpose, Java supports the various internet protocols such as TCP/IP, that stands for Transmission Control Protocol, as well as Internet Protocol, as well as HTTP, that is called Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Nowadays, in the latest version of Java, they support HTTPS also, that is called Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Now, we say Java is a secure programming language. So Java has built-in security feature that ensure that a Java program gain access to only those resources of a computer system where it is running that are essential for their execution. So this ensures that Java program execution on a particular machine does not harm that target machine. It it reuses only the resources which are required by the Java program. Now next, we say Java is a robust programming language. So Java provides various kind of features such as memory management as well as exception handling. And apart from that, there are so many other features also. So let's talk about the memory management. So as a user, uh, what we can say is we can create a object of a particular class as and when it is required. So we are responsible to create an object of a particular class as requirement, as per the need, and we are working on that particular object. And later on, once the job is finished, we are not whole and sole responsible for removing those kind of objects which was created before using it from the memory. So obviously the big question comes in, then who removes these kind of objects from the memory? So obviously, as a part of JVM, we are having something called garbage collector. So garbage collector is a very small kind of program which runs time to time. It scans entire memory and it looks for those objects which was used earlier. But now it is dereferenced by every program, every instances. So garbage collector is going to search for those kind of programs, those kind of memory location, and removes those memory locations and makes memory free, and it is available for the user for other kind of things. So which, as well as Java is having a great support of exception handling. That means at the time of running a program, if external factor affects your program, and if it is going to likely to be terminated, then your exception handling, as a programmer, we implement the concept of exception handling. In such kind of exception issues can be handled at runtime. So this program, these kind of features that ensures that the Java application run securely and effectively on a machine, and that do not crash a machine if minor kind of error encounters, like such as exception handling. Now the great feature of Java is multi-threaded. Java is a multi-threaded operating programming language. So Java supports the concept of multi-threading that allow a program to run or execute simultaneously multiple tasks by using a threads. And obviously, if you are going to create a new process, your process is further divided into small sub-processes, and those sub-processes are being controlled by thread. So we can say thread is the smallest unit of execution in a Java program. So those kind of things are going to make our Java program very effective and very robust. So these are the certain features of Java. So that's all for the day. I hope you must have liked this particular video, whatever the feature I have discussed as, of Java. If you liked it, please make sure that you click on like button. If you have not subscribed this particular channel, do subscribe, as well as you can press your bell icon. So whenever I post my video will reaches to you at the very first. And the most important thing is that you please mention your valuable comments in the comment section about this particular video. And if you're having any sort of related questions, doubt in your mind, please leave a question to me. So whenever I'll get time, I'll respond to you by different. So once again, thanks for watching this particular video. See you in next video with the next important topic of Java. Thanks a lot.